Sorry, I just blew this off. Ah, I was just taking these off. Made me think of this. Like I was saying, this is a core block. I don't care too much about it, but in the spirit of what, my channel is, and the way I am, the way my dad is, everything. When it comes to building your hot rod, building your car, uh, be careful taking stuff apart. Uh, I I know I could just grab my impact, zip these suckers right off, and be done with it. Take that completely out of your head. Don't do that. Take your time. Feel these as they're coming loose. Even though I'm not going to be using this, chances are somebody needs that. That bolt right there. That's a special bolt, and they're famous for breaking off. Somebody's going to need that. Somebody might be willing to trade me all four of them for something I need. So just keep that in your head on how you can make your project actually pay for itself. And see, I'm watching the center of that stud right there to make sure it's not turning. When I'm turning that wrench, I'm feeling it as it goes. If it gives me any kind of resistance, like right there, I'm gonna back it up. Time, when you're working on your own project, doesn't mean much. Don't get it in your head that you got to have this done in 10 minutes or you're going to lose the shop. It's your own project. It's real easy. And that bolt stud right there has the possibility of paying for my project. Just like that. And then I always set them, when I take this valve cover off, I'm going to put that bolt right back on there so I know where it went. Um, like I said, you get the urge to just get it done. So you throw the ratchet and the impact on there, and brrr, you don't feel nothing. And what you'll do is you'll snap that sucker off. Then you become the guy that I'm going to sell that to pay for my project, when all you had to do was just ease it off. And it'll save you a mountain of time with these. These things they're worth their weight in gold if you develop the feel for them. So, little tidbit there to help you. And when you're looking at an old car, stuff you're not going to use, like I said, somebody out there can use it. And whether you sell it to them for cash or you trade it to them for stuff that you need, everything on these old cars has value. Um, well, some things. This obviously has zero value, but I'm going to be real careful taking it out of there so I don't break that. That piece right there, that adapter piece, might be worth something. Think of stuff like that as you go along. You'd be real surprised. You just say, oh, well, I can just run down to the hardware store and buy a bolt like that. Or this bolt, this is just going to be a regular bolt going in there. I just go and get me one of them. Well, when you add up all of the bolts on here, take a look at those ARP kits, engine kits. They're expensive. You could have $500 just in nuts and bolts. Easy. That's extremely easy to do. So keep that all in your head. It's the little things. The band Bush, I love that band, has a song out there called Little Things That Kill. It's the little things like that that'll shut your project down. So, anyway, take that for what it's worth. Meantime, let's get some metal hot and get this valve cover off, see if I can save those rockers. Oh, got oil on my fingers now and I can't touch the button.